Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 14th to 26th. November 14th to 18th, the flow remains amplified. You can see right here, this is GFS. We have a, let me go back a little bit. We still have our, an upper low or trough here over the Aleutians, ridge over western North America, and a trough over eastern North America. Now, during this period, we're going to have a strong cold front and low pressure that will move into New England and will create extremely favorable conditions for lake effect snow and favorable north and northwest snow belts. We'll take a look at that right now. Okay, this is, you can see we have an upper low here that will be developing, and this will intensify. Now, notice where the 540 line is here. This will be snow. And then we go forward into time. Now it's in New England, and it'll be mixed precipitation to the north and west of the major metropolitan areas, maybe snowing down in Philly. And a persistent north to northwest unidirectional low will bring extremely cold 550 millibar temperatures falling to -20 that will create steep lap rates and a deep inversion. And then the low will move along the cold front and push northeast into the interior northeast tonight and depart on Tuesday. So this is it right now. This is low, and then it comes in. Now this is GFS. It's showing snow. We'll look at the European. Seems to be faster with the snow moving out. And then we'll look at the NAM. And here's the 540 line, Tuesday, 7 a.m. And then we go forward. And now it shows like it's snowing here across parts of New York City. Probably here's the 540 line right through New York City area. I'll have another low out here that'll be developing. Now, the track and surface low remains inland, as I just showed you, and the axis of the heavy snow fall will be northeast from Lake Erie to the Adirondacks, Green Mountains, and northern Maine. A swath of wintry mix expected south of the snow over central and upstate New York and northern central New England and much of Maine. Now, with this pattern, we're going to have below normal temperatures will ease after Thursday. However, temperatures will remain 5 to 15 degrees below average along in the east of the Mississippi through next weekend. And along the west of the Rockies, temperatures will stay above normal by about 5 to 15 degrees. And the interaction between a southern and upper low and a frontal boundary in the Gulf will spread rain across Florida. And we'll take a look at that too. This is the European, the GFS. You can see here's our low here. This is the next thing we have to watch over the weekend. And then we'll look at the European. And this looks like it can be more like a rain event because here's the low, and notice where the 540 line is up here, up in Canada. So it's warmer here, and we'll look at the GFS. Keeps it more offshore. That's the GFS, and so we'll have to watch that in the next couple of days. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for November 17th to the 21st. And the flow gradually de-amplifies, leading to near to above normal heights across the nation. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting still above normal temperatures for the plains to the Pacific coast. And I'm forecasting anomalies about 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here for the plains of Mississippi Valley, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we go to the latest part of the forecast. This is for November 22nd to 26th. And models showing some differences. The GEFS, let me see, get there. And the European depicts an amplified flow with the ridge in the west and a trough in the east. See right here. While the other models have the trough further here, like this one, like over the the west central states, with a ridge building in. And then GFS has it across the west central states again, with above normal heights in the east. So overall, the pattern flattens. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, except for this region here, the northeast and mid-Atlantic. And forecast anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west coast states. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation from the plains to the Atlantic coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 14th to 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.